Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use transitions on Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So let's begin. So the first thing to do is to go to our edits software, and from here we will be needing just to work already on some kind of project that we have, or we can simply create a new one. So by clicking on this plus button, you will be able to choose as many footage as you would like. And after that, you will be able to start uh, transitioning between them. So let's just click on these three, for example, or let's just choose these ones. I'm going to click on done, and now it will import my footage. As you can see in the timeline here, you will find that there is this button or these white spots. So here in these white spots that we can see between videos, this or here where you can add transition. And by clicking on this white button or white spot, it will open this transition panel. And from here, you can choose the type of the transition that you would like. Also, you can have a preview to the transition in this video or in this preview menu. So you will choose any one that you would like. And after that, you will be needing just to click on done. And now you can have it. So as you can see, whenever you click on it, or let's just use our playback, and the transition will be applied. If you have already imported multiple footage and you want to add a new one, you can simply click on the plus one or the plus button and you add from your gallery. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.